Welcome to all of you in Teaching Junction channel. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can make these impressive graphs using Microsoft Excel. So let's start this tutorial. You can see here I have already entered the data of turnover of University Cafe during different years and during different months. You can see here the independent variable contain number data, and in this table the independent variable contain text data. It is easy to make graph from text data as compared to number, because to make graph from this number data is tricky one. So let's I demonstrate this one. So I select this data and click on insert tab and go to insert column or bar chart and select this one, and you can see here that Microsoft Excel inserts this graph here. So let's try from this data. Select this one, go to insert and column or bar chart, and this one you can see here that Microsoft Excel recognize this year data as x-axis value or dependent variable, hence display here, you can see here. So how can we get rid from this problem? One easy solution is just write alphabet with years, any alphabet. For example, I write here Q alphabet with a double click and Q. So I delete this one and make a new graph. Select this data, insert, and to the column. You can see here I have made the graph using this data successfully, but the problem is that Q is appear with years. So the graphs in Microsoft Excel is very interactive. You can see when I select this one, the data is also selected. When I change this data, the graph will also change. So I remove this Q alphabet from all of these. You can see here that when I remove here, the data is changed in graph. So I make another column graph. And the third graph is bar graph. I select this data. Insert and in bar graph. So I drag this one and insert it here. So I now format all these three graphs separately in different manner. First I select this one. You can see different handle appear here. You can move it here and there to resize it. Another one is when you select on this graph area instead of on the corner, then this plot area you can move upper, left, right, or down according to your requirement. So firstly I select this graph and go to quick layout. There are different type of layout is available. You can select according to your requirement. For time being I select this one, it is my favorite one. So for this one I also select this one, and for bar chart I select different layout, and This one is good. I want that both graph and table appear simultaneously in this. So when you click on this graph, there's options appear, and you can format this graph by using these options. Firstly, I write their title and x-axis title. So you can write here or here. I write here. Turn over of University Cafe. Press enter and it appear here. Turnover rupees. And this one here. Click enter. Similarly, I edit this title and x-axis title. Turnover of sorry. Cafe. Click enter. This one is turnover in rupees. Turnover rupees. Click enter, and this one is month. Click enter. I edit this one by double click on this. Oh, sorry. Turnover of University Cafe. So I start formatting this. I click on here. You can see here this option of chart filter. If you click on this, if you uncheck any of these, this will disappear. For example, I removed 2016 data. I unchecked it and click on apply. You can see here 2016 data disappear. These are this option is for chart style. Click on this, different chart styles appear. In this tutorial I will select which one, yeah, this one look nice. I select this one. So I added this. I first of all I remove these lines, select these lines, click on backscape, and these lines are removed. Now its background is clear, so I don't require legend here because single properties is discussed here, so I remove it. Now I select this bar by click on this, go to format, shape fill to change color. I select this one. You can also select color from chart style. If you click here, different color appears. So I select this one, go to format and shape outline. I select black outline, and the width of it will select this one. and shape effect, go to preset and select this one. It will give it a nice look. So I will adjust the font size, go to home, black and 12, black, black and 12, black, 12 and bold. So here data is appeared. Now I want that I modify some x-axis, format axis. Select this one, right click, then this option appear. I will go to tick marks and I want that tick mark should be outside, minor and major both tick sides, outside. And from here I select line, this one, this line which is appeared on x-axis, color black, solid line, and width 1.75. So and I have completed the formatting of first graph. Now we will format this graph in another style. I close this one, select this line, yes, this, remove this, we did not require this legend, so click on this, go to format, select this one as green, shape outline black, shape outline weight, and it should be this one, adjust the font size, go to home, black one, bold it, 16. This one should be 12 and bold. This one should be 12 and black. Now I will format the x-axis and y-axis. Click on here, right click, go to format axis, and here different options are available. I will use tick mark, that should be outside, outside, and go to fill and lines, line, solid line, color black is already selected, then width I will increase its width to 1.5. Now I select this one, x-axis, and it's with 1.5, color black color, go to tick marks here, yes, and it should be outside to x-axis, outside. So I have completed the formatting of second graph. You can see it looks very impressive now. So we have completed the formatting of two graphs. Now I will start formatting of third graph. Click on this first, adjust font size, bold, color black and 16, and 12 black. Adjust, select table by clicking on it, and 12, and this one. Gradient lines, no line, so this line disappear from this graph. Now select bars and start formatting. Go to format, blue one, its outline. So it's no, I select it wrong. I select this bar area, then go to outline and width. So this one selected. I have selected the whole graph and go to shape outline, so this line, red line appear because I have selected the whole graph outline as red. Finally, the axis modification, go to format axis, tick marks, click on tick marks, outside, outside. If you want to give it some effects, go select glow, go to this option, and I want this one, and line, solid line, black color, width should be 1.5. So I select x-axis and tick marks, outside, outside, then come to effects, select this one, effect, and now click on fill and line, go to line, solid line, black color, and the width I increase its width to 1.5. So finally I have completed the formatting of third graph. You can see these graphs looks very impressive. You can practice for more to explore more editing options. In future video I will make these multiple column graphs and 3D column graphs. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.